just a secret, guys. Iba Escudero. Anyway, my surname is Japanese surname, and my when I'm single, my surname is from Spanish. It's very common in the Philippines. The surname is it's very common, my surname, but of course that is secret. That is secret for my privacy. Oh, guess what? You can guess. Ma'am Eva, you can guess. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm eating Adamaris Martinez. Hola. Shout out. Hola. Thank you so much for coming, Adamaris Martinez. Sorry guys, I'm eating. Look at this. Actually, you can put this one fresh milk, but I don't like fresh milk. I eat like snacks. You can put fresh milk, yogurt, or like that, but I like to eat the way like I want to eat like this. Just a snacks. Looks like a snacks. I'm not so familiar here in YouTube, guys. But anyway, thank you so much for coming. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming. Hello, everyone. You know hablo English. Hablo? I don't know what is hablo. Adamaris Martinez, sorry po ma'am. I don't know you do. Hello, Salwani Saba. Hello, hello. Shout out Salwani. Thank you so much for coming, Salwani. Salwani from Malaysia. Yes, I remember you, Salwani Saba. Thank you so much. If I'm not mistaken, you are from Malaysia. Thank you. Thank you so much for coming, Salwani. How are you? Actually, this is oats, guys. You can put fresh milk or you can put yogurt, but I like the way. Only just this is the way I will eat my oats, just like a snacks. Just picking like this. Yes, now in Japan it's now have a typhoon. So it's very quiet now here. I go out a little bit outside my house, so like a ghost town. No people walking, only me. Only me walking outside. Maybe my neighbor watching me, and maybe they're surprised. Oh, only I am the one walking outside, like a ghost town here now. Everybody is inside the house. Only me going outside.